Hi, this is Chinmay. The past 12-13 days, I have been raising funds for families in need, especially those who are dependent on daily work and daily wages to run their families. And here is a compilation of what I've done. Wishing you on your birthday. Hello Tilakumar. Hi Sahiti. Hi Sharanya. Hello Varshini. Hi Pradap. Hello Mr. Raghu. Hi Mitra. Hi Sid. Hello Soumya. Vadina. Guru. Uma. Sagarika. Abhishek. Krishna. Vinaya Devi. Alexander. Sangeeta. Sudha. Sushmita. Sahana. Hi Ahalya. Mr. Bo. Purvika. Divyashree. Ninti. Hi Mr. Saikiran. Prabhu. Diva. Hi Hemalata. Hi Jayashree. Chintamani Madam. Hi Nandini. Hello Mr. Madhu. Hi Roshni. Hi Mr. Vignesh. Hi Vaishnavi and Vignesh. Hello Sairam Garu and Rama Sharda Garu. Hello Mr. Ramesh and Kalpana. Namaskaram Bharani Madam and Mahendran Sir. Hello Krishnan Sir and Rama Madam. Hello Aishwarya. Hello Babbu. Hi Shivanyani. Hello Damarla Lalita Lakshmi. Hello CV. Hello Mr. Vemuri Sri Harsha. Hi Abhinaya. Hi Deepika. Hi Kavita. Hello Mr. Ankit. Hi Ans. Hello Rangeshwar. Hello Bharat. Hi Priya. Hello Mr. Arun. Hi Vidush and Suresh. Hello Chamundeshwari ma'am. Hi Rupa. Hi Mr. Naresh. Radhika ji. Hi Janani. Karthika. Hello Kritika ma'am. Hi Pavani. Hi Anuradha. Hello Ramya, this is wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. So here goes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday and may God bless you. Happy, happy, happy birthday to you.
Shweta, hi, this is Rahul here. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Have a fantastic year ahead.
Happy, happy, happy wedding anniversary. And I am wishing you and your wife a happy first wedding anniversary. Lovely life together. Only love and joy and happiness and prosperity. Congratulations. This is a special dedication. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Your money is going directly to a family in need and this helps. So if you see, we have a list of people that we have called and we have a huge team working with us. We have Mr. Vedarajan Dasarathi, we have Sumati, we have Gigi, we have Mr. James, we have Mr. Madhi, we have friends here in Hyderabad that refer, and especially near the area that we are in Hyderabad, there are people who have been selling bhel puri, those who run these istri bandis, idli bandi, dosa bandi people, and makeup assistants, sometimes hair styling assistants who are not supported by any other means, and unless and until these people actually show up to work every day, they can't make any money, which means their families don't run and they don't have savings like many of us might be fortunate to have in our own bank accounts. I thought it would be good because there was only so much that each of us can do. So in addition to what Rahul and I had done by donating from our side as well to relief funds, I decided that I should probably make this an exercise of singing for people in exchange to donations directly into beneficiaries' bank accounts. So a lot of people have come forward, and at this point in time I would like to thank Ravi Garu and Nishita Garu for their huge support. Rahul and I interacted and spent about a couple of hours with employees in their company, and they were able to directly donate to 21 families in dire need, and I would like to thank them. And I also would like to thank Touch a Life. Because of them, scores of families have also directly received donations from various families across the world. What I have loved most is many people have responded to my posts on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And I also have to thank Abhishek Shah of Be Positive Ad Agency. He made a really sweet post recently to say that, in return for happy birthday and happy anniversaries and a song that you can dedicate to a loved one, you can donate directly to families in need. So this is something that I thought that I could put in as an effort, and I intend to continue this as long as the lockdown ends, because each day as I feel and think that more number of beneficiaries are getting benefited, my list seems to just keep adding up every day from various regions. And there's only so much that I'm able to do, but I'm very, very glad that I have been given this voice, and a career that and a fame that I'm able to use for something like this, and I'm very, very, very grateful if this is making a difference both to the donor, because I'm singing for them and I hope they're asking me to sing only because they like my singing, and to beneficiaries who are able to feed their families. And a lot of these beneficiaries have differently abled children, mentally challenged children, which require constant care and they have medical needs as well. And the toughest part of all of this is most of these families run only on daily wage labor and the income from that, which means that since they have not been able to go to work, they're not able to feed themselves or their differently abled family members. So if you're watching this video, if you'd like to contribute to beneficiaries, the process is I will send you a happy birthday or a happy anniversary or a song that you like to somebody that you dedicate to, and I in turn send you the details of the beneficiaries that you can donate directly to. That's how I've been doing this, and if you'd like to spread the word and help families in need, please let me know. I'm reachable on Twitter, on Facebook, and Instagram DMs. And so that's that. I am extremely grateful for the generosity of so many of you who have responded to my call. Thank you. Your kindness, your generosity makes me believe in humans. Even though so many days, so many times my faith in humanity is sometimes shaken, these are times which makes me believe that we'll pull through. Humanity will pull through. Stay home, stay safe, and I wish you all great health, great immunity, peace, prosperity, and may all of you have dreams and make those dreams come true, and may the universe conspire to make them come true. God bless you all if you believe in a God, or may the universe keep you happy, and take care.